Welcome to my short video on black bear tracks and sign. My goal is to share a few pointers on finding black bear tracks and some of their more obvious sign they leave. Who doesn't love to find black bear tracks and sign? There is just something about this large, wild animal that is so revered in our wilderness. There are black bears here in the Northwest in the foothills of the Cascades to the Coast Range along the Pacific Ocean. Clear black bear tracks are not always easy to find because they are forest animals. Look for tracks along logging roads, molehills, and mountain river banks. I often find tracks at the Oregon dunes in early spring. Bear tracks are large. It can hardly be mistaken with any other mammal. They can be 5 to 7 inches in length, depending on the front or hind foot. The hind feet are longer when fully registered, and the front feet are wider. Bears show 5 toes on the front feet and 5 toes on the hind feet. Both front and hind feet show claws, depending on the substrate. Bears are plantigrade walkers, so that means they mostly walk flat-footed. The hind foot tends to fully register, while the front foot may not show the heel pad. Other signs to look for are claw marks, bite marks, usually at the height of the bear, cambion feeding, low down and high in the tree, and scat. Black bears do a lot of communicating through these signs. Good luck with finding bear tracks and sign.